Hello friends, hope you all are doing great and safe at home. Tasin here. Welcome to Solution World channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to convert content or an article into video form. Actually, you can, by learning the skill, you can also earn in your freelancing website. So let me start. Let me just get into my Google Chrome, and here I'm going to take a content from Google. So let me first take a content, google.com. So let's make about coronavirus. You can convert your blog, your what is that called, your any content you want to convert into, actually what is that called, into video. You can do all that here. This is the content which I want to convert into video format. So just by one click you can convert it. I'm just going to type here Lumen5. So this is the website where we are going to convert it into video format, Lumen5 video maker. So in this video I'm going to talk, many of the websites are there actually to convert, many software are there, but they will have their what is it called, actually watermark. If you want to remove the watermark, then you have to get the premium one, but here I'll teach you how to, without premium one, actually just a free offer, how you can make your video, and you can also remove your watermark. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on new video. So all you have to do is just you have to give your login email ID and password. So it will actually give you this what is it called, actually this is how the page will appear. So this is how the interface will be. So use a script, it is asking. You can actually copy your blog over here. If you have a script you can, and if you want to upload you can upload. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click here and I'm going to paste the content what I have just copied from the Google Chrome. So now I'm just going to press go, and here it's going to ask me there are a number of platforms, actually for which platform and which ratio I want, it is asking. So I'll just select here Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn and many more. Here I'm just going to select YouTube, and it is asking me actually which theme do I want. Actually let me first select any one of the theme from here, actually. So let's just select this, and now it will automatically take the photos. It will automatically connect, actually to split your sentences, and also it will make its own what is that called, actually slides. So here the thing is, here you can see if slides are showed here, and they see air quickly fall on floors, on surface, actually droplets. So this is how actually it shows you based on the virus that caused COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through. So based on that the pictures are also showed over here. So now what I'm going to do is, if you are not happy about the picture what they have showed, so all you have to do is just get into media and just click on uploads. If you want to get actually from the library, you can also have many pictures. So here in the from your computer you can actually upload an image or a file, and you can also have that. So let me just select this. So I'll just click on open, and now all you have to do is just click on upload. So now it is getting uploaded. So once it is get uploaded, actually all you have to do is drag and drop it over here, so that actually your background will change. So this is the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm just drag and drop it over here, so that the background image will get changed. So here you can see the background image has got changed, and my entire sentences has actually changed to other format. So this is how you can change your background at the same time. Now once you are done with, actually if you want to add a music, default music it will have, but if you want to change the music you can actually have it. So here a number of musics are provided for you, actually whichever you want you can choose it. So it is asking me whether all the handicap sentences for you which they have made is actually perfect. So I'll just tell yes, keep it. So it is asking whether it is all perfect. So if you wanted, the formats are nothing but actually the same one which we already selected, actually Facebook, or the ratio, actually which type of a ratio you want. If you want to just now change it, you can change it. And the style, This is the theme actually which we have selected already, and if you want to change the colors you can do all that. Now media, now this is the story, is nothing but actually what we have given. Even if you want to add few sentences over here, you can add it. Now once you're done with all this, actually all you have to do is just click on publish. If you want to have a look on preview, you can have a look on preview at the same time. So now I'm just click on publish, so it has automatically taken up, what is that called actually, it has taken pictures related to that. At the same time music, all is they provided for us. So now it upgrade to remove the watermark, but actually I'm going to tell you how to remove the watermark. So here you can see this is our preview. Watermark which we need to remove. All we can do is we are not able to see any watermark inside the video, actually only at the end it shows this one. So what we can do is actually by using an editor you can actually just remove this. So it's a very easy thing, actually we can remove this watermark, it's not a big issue. So all I'm going to do is, it is getting automatically downloaded over here. Actually once the process is done, let me just open it in my computer and show you this downloadable. So here we don't find any watermarks. So what you can do is, just in the video editor you can just edit the last part alone. You can edit and you can remove it. You can just split and you can remove it. So hope you all would have got the session, actually how to convert article into video format. If you want to know few more softwares where we can convert this, actually if you want to know, let me know in the below description so that I can make a video related to this. So hope you all would have enjoyed the session. Take care. Bye bye.